Do you hate recruiting? I sure do, but it doesn't matter. I found a way to make money online fast without recruiting anyone. Stick with me till the end. I'll share how you can do it too. It's really simple. Anyone can do it. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been making money online full time for over 20 years now, and it's awesome. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while my friends and neighbors are stuck at their job. See, if you do it right, making money online is not just about the money, but the time freedom too. And maybe you are not looking to replace a job. Maybe you're just looking for an extra few hundred or maybe $1,000 a month. This can be ideal for you too. Hey, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. Over the 20 plus years, I've built several online businesses. I've done both traditional network marketing and affiliate marketing too. And while they were online, these businesses relied on recruiting for massive success. I got good at it, it did work, but it was a grind. I just never really liked it. And it was tough for many new people to get good at it if they were willing to do it. Well, that doesn't matter now. I found a way to make real money in minimal time without recruiting anyone. It's a simple online business that you can do anywhere in the world. It's something you can do even if you are a beginner at making money online. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity, not one of those MLM things you see all the time. There are no products to buy. And we market something literally everyone wants. Seriously, everyone. This thing sells itself. And here's what makes it so simple for you to do this business. Our team will give you your own powerful marketing system. It's a complete sales funnel with landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails to send out. You do not have to create anything. The techie stuff is all done for you. You can quickly personalize it to brand and promote you and start marketing today. And it is not one of those sales funnels where you have to join a bunch of lousy affiliate offers to use it. Man, I hate that. All you do is get people to your website and let the system do the work. Our system really leverages your time. This only takes minutes a day, whenever it's convenient for you. I even do it while I'm out sailing. The team will give you all the training you need. I will mentor and coach you personally. You will learn how to market your business for free. Many new people make money their very first day. You can get paid every week by direct deposit and earn long-term passive income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month for the business you do each day. So to learn more about how to make money online fast without recruiting anyone and to start making more money today, go to our website at easymoneypath.com.